Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, if you haven't already guessed from the name of the video, I am going to be filming a snooze haul. So I'm going to be showing you all of the goodies that I've been kindly gifted. I'm so excited to show you everything, and I'm going to be putting everything together to show you exactly what they look like and how easy they are to put together. So I am really excited. So I'm going to be showing you basically how to put the snooze pod together and all the other little goodies I got. So super grateful to be working with Snooze. This is a brand that I have, as soon as I found out I was pregnant, I bought items already because I loved all their stuff. Their stuff is so nice and really affordable for the quality as well. So I am so excited, I don't know if you can tell. So yeah, let's get into it. What I'm going to do is show you the two things I got prior to working with Snooze, because this is just how much I love this brand, but I wanted to show you it all together because it all matches. So the first item I got was the Snooze Pouch. So I have heard, obviously, so many people go on about these. And I'm having my baby in October, so it won't be going in it straight away, but however, yeah, it's 0 to 6 months. So through the winter, I got the 2.5 tog as well, because this is like the average, what's the correct word? Temperature. Well, the right tog basically, so it's the average tog that people go for. So you just have to, it has got all the information on the back here saying about temperatures and when to wear it and when not to wear it. But I love this because it's in this white and black, like geometric, whatever you want to call it, and I've gone for this same theme throughout, and this is around 24 to 30 pound, I think. So I bought that one myself. The other thing I bought myself was the matching little blanket. So I love this. I just love this print, and the quality is gorgeous. It's just a little, you can pretty much, I think it's just a blanket, but you can use it as a swaddle. But yeah, so those were the two things that I got before. And then these are the items I have been gifted by Snooze. The first item that I was sent was the hooded towel, which is in the same print as the other little goodies that I got earlier, because I really, really like this print. They do have loads of different styles of prints, but I love this one. I've got like a very like white theme going through, so I'm just going to keep it all the same. So this is just a drying towel, but it's got the really cute little hood. With the ears. I mean, if that picture doesn't sell you this item, then I don't know what does. How cute. So 0 to 12 months, and it's machine washable and tumble dry low. Fun fact. But yeah, this is quite a big, it comes up quite big, which I really like, because obviously then they don't grow out of it quickly. So I love this. I think it's $22.95 to buy. So I'm going to put the link below, but that is the towel. So for my OCD, for anyone else who's OCD, makes me really happy that it all matches. And yeah, I have the blanket, the towel, and the tog thing. So yeah. The next thing that I got was the Snooze Pod 3, which is the Snooze Pod which I've been sent. So I'm going to show you in a minute how to put that up. But this is the mattress protector, so obviously it just keeps it all the same, and it's waterproof, so absorbent, and it's 100% waterproof, giving you peace of mind that both mattress and your little one are always dry. So yeah, this fits into the Snooze Pod, and it's just a mattress protector. So really necessary. And then the next thing I got, I'm so excited to get some batteries and put this in. This is the Snooze Cloud, so it's the 3-in-1 baby sleep aid. I have seen so many people rave about this, and I mean, when I've put my stories on Instagram and I've said like your top products on what you can't live without, so many people suggested this, so I'm so excited to play and use this. Play. So I'm just gonna get it out. She says. So, so basically this is it. Comes with a little Velcro strap. So this basically attaches onto the cot. I think you can pretty much, I'm literally stuck. You can pretty much put this on anything, your cot, your snooze pod crib, your pram, your car seat. This is so versatile. And there is a light. So, I don't know if you can see this. But if you see on here, it's got calming noise, dual lights, pink or white, and it helps your baby sleep. So it's got 4 calming sounds: pink noise, waterfall, lullaby, and heartbeat. The heartbeat one sounds so weird, but I love it. It's really weird, like I don't know why I love it, but I do. So it mimics inside the womb. And then pink noise, waterfall, and lullaby. So there is a music one. Calming mood lights, a warm pink glow mimics the womb, reassuring and calming the baby. Bedtime light, soft white glow for when you check on the baby, doubling as a night light when you get older, and a 20-minute timer. So, and adjustable volume. So this I'm so excited to try. Sounds so weird, but all these little gadgets, I'm really excited to try. So, just need to get some batteries and I'll be putting that on my Snooze pod. But he is so cute. I love the colours as well. Matches my theme with the black and white and the grey. But this is from 0+, so newborn up. And I'm presuming you can use this for a while as well because they're gonna love it. So we shall see. Then the next item that I got is the Snooze Play Mat. So if I just open this up, haven't even opened this up yet, guys. Been waiting to show you. All the packaging is so nice as well. I just love this brand. So, oh, it's so cute. I'm going to get it out and show you it like this, and then I'm going to show you it on the floor. So this is basically a giant play mat. So this is ideal. It's really thick material actually, and then it's got this like non-slippy style bottom. This is just perfect for in the living room, for me anyway, when I'm going to put the baby down and it can play on it obviously. And then you can put one of those little toys over it so that they can lie down and just have a little play basically. Tummy time. But this is huge, this is amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and lay it down and show it you on the floor. So this is the play mat down. As you can see, it works perfectly with my living room vibes. So I'm so excited about this. But this is huge, this is amazing. So yeah, it's really soft and just needs to decrease. But I actually think the TEEPEE will sit over this. So I'll be able to put it in the corner with a TEEPEE. So yeah, this is really, really cute. I'm so out of breath talking now. 34 weeks pregnant. And I'm so out of breath. I'll show you the box, and then I'm gonna show you putting it together. So I got the grey and white Play TEEPEE. This is, I'm so excited to put this together. I know that I'm not gonna be using it straight away, but still I'm just so excited, it's so cute. So it matches the print on the playmat. Okay, so we're just gonna put it together. This is the final piece. Final piece, is that a thing? Final, I don't know. How cool is this? It's actually huge. It's way bigger than it looks, which is amazing because this is gonna last them for absolutely ages. So now we're gonna put together the snooze pod. So this is the Snooze Pod 3 bedside crib. It's all done. So it's all set up. This is removable and you can actually use this as a little rocker. It comes with a mattress. Well, look how pretty it is. We're going to put it in the bedroom now and show you what it looks like upstairs. So when you want to adjust the cot, you just basically drop down on here where you want the cot to be, so when it matches the level of your bed, and then this unzips and you can attach it under your mattress, and then basically so you can have it open with the baby next to you. So that's how that works. We're not going to do that just yet, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video of us putting together our pieces from Snooze. I can't wait to try them out properly with the baby. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.